Good morning, children. So today we move on to the next unit, that is Unit 6, Human Organ Systems. Okay. So first one is, what is organ system? We are having a lot of organs, right? Eyes, nose, that are all organs, right? So a group of organs that work together to perform a particular function is known as an organ system. Okay, so we are having a lot of organs. Then that organs are united together to perform a particular function, means it is said to be organ system. Okay. For example, if you are going to skeletal system, means skeletal system, we are having bones, cartilages and joints. So the bones, cartilages, joints, they are uh, united together, that work together to perform the function, that particular function. Then it is said to be organ system. So organs are united together to perform a particular function, is said to be organ system. Okay. So there are eight major organ system in human body. There are eight major organ systems are there. First one is skeletal system. Second, digestive system, circulatory system, endocrine system, muscular system, respiratory system, nervous system, and excretory system. So first one is skeletal, then digestive system, then circulatory means blood and all comes into the water, circulatory system, then endocrine system, muscular system, respiratory system, nervous system, and excretory system. For example, if you skeletal system means it is the framework, that skeletal system, it is the framework of our body, no? So it do that function. Then digestive means digestion take part in digestive system. Then circulatory system means blood all over our body, blood is circulating, no? So that circulation processes are done by that circulatory system. Then respiratory system, that and all eight organ systems we are having, okay, in human body. First one is skeletal system. Okay, skeletal system. So skeletal system, it consists of bones, cartilages, and joints. Okay, joints, bones, cartilages, and joints. Then come to bones. First one is bones. So bones means bones provide the framework of our body. If a human being means it's a framework of, we can see that if it is, he is a human being, then it is a reptile. That and all the difference. So bones gives the framework of our body. Okay. It alongs with muscles, it is helps in movements, for walking, running, that and all. Okay, so first one is, we are seeing skeletal system. So that skeletal system is made up of bones, cartilages, and joints. So first, bones means it is the framework for human being. Bones are the that bones provide the uh, structure, framework of a body. Okay, then it along with muscles, we can move from here and there, that is so walking, running, that and all work, that and all held by the bones with the muscles. Okay, then human adult skeletal system consists of 206 bones. Okay, 206 bones, then few cartilages and tendons. Okay, so in adult human being, that skeletal system, adult skeletal system consists of 206 bones with their cartilages and tendons. Okay, then classification of this skeletal system. Okay, there are two main divisions of skeletal system. First one is axial skeletal system, second one is appendicular skeletal system. Okay, so the skeletal system divided into two first main parts. First one is axial and the second one is appendicular. So come to axial skeletal system means it consists of that skull, vertebral column, and rib cage. Okay, skull, மண்டை ஓடு. Okay, vertebral column, that முதுகு தண்டுன்னு சொல்றோம்ல அது. Then rib cage, that and all comes in that axial skeletal system. Okay, the next one is appendicular skeletal system. So appendicular skeleton consists of the bones of the limbs, that is forelimbs and hind limbs. Okay, along with their pectoral or pelvic girdles. Okay, that and all we see later. Okay, so skeletal system consists of bones, cartilages and joints. In adult human being, there are 206 bones with cartilages and tendons. Okay, then that skeletal system divided into two. First one is axial, second one is appendicular. So skull, vertebral column, rib cage or comes under the axial skeletal system. Okay, then that limbs, four limbs and hind limbs, that and all comes under the appendicular skeletal system.